Let's be honest, nobody likes listening to call recordings. QA agents get fatigued. Managers avoid them whenever they can. And when they do review calls, it's a quick scorecard. Check the box, move on. It's not laziness, it's the time. It's the focus it takes, and yes, it's the boredom. Hours of call audio can drain anyone. OnScript changes the game. Every call, automatically analyzed in real time. No more backlogs, no more missed moments, just instant clarity on what matters most. But OnScript isn't just a QA replacement. It actively coaches your agents, improving soft skills, empathy, and communication, the things that actually move the needle on revenue. Teams using OnScript cut coaching time by over 70%. Agents improve faster. Managers get their time back. And customers, they feel the difference. Humans weren't built to scrub hours of call audio. Let OnScript handle the reviews so your team can focus on what really matters. OnScript, coaching reinvented.